Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So we're going to work in an art journal today. And I got this book a couple years ago, I want to say. I don't even know how old it is. And I never use it. I believe I got one for Emily and one for or one for me. What the heck? Old stupid lady, what are you doing? If you just found me. So I thought, you know what? You know, I've been away for a while doing art and everything like that. So I thought this would be a great way to move you in a little bit. To not throw this book away because I'm going through my art room and organizing, throwing stuff away, old stuff and that kind of thing. But let's use it as an art journal. The pages are beautiful, very nice and thick. And I thought, why not? So I'm going to keep her. And for the first page, I'm just going to do some gesso. And if you don't have gesso, just use your white paint, use your black paint, use whatever color paint you have. Maybe you go to the Dollar Tree and you have 6 blues. Use them. It doesn't matter. I'm just going in with this gesso because it's sitting here. And I don't have to go and be so precious either because it's just going to be a background. And I'm going to show you. And you can see I have some. Okay, so you see how we're doing there? Now, I'm going to leave that like that. I'm going to take this and I'm going to lay it down. And I'm going to press it. And I'm going to leave it dry for a few minutes. And I'm experimenting because what I like to do is I like to take white school glue, Mod Podge, decoupage, and I like to glue a page down. I put the glue down, I do this, I do that, all the things. And it comes up and it's like I don't want to say like a ghost print, but kind of. So this, I'm hoping that the paint is a little bit wet and it'll bring some color and texture when I pull it up. It may not. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Look at my new technique. Now see, I was pissing around and I left that a little longer than I should have. But look at that. Look how it has some of the words came up from here. Oh, I love it. I'm going to take this piece off because it's not glued down. Remember, this isn't glue. This is just white paint. But what it did was it gave us a really cool, can you see? Like ghost print, you know, and you guys know I love, let's do a little bit on this side. I love grunge. I love things looking grungy and old and already, you know, so I'm just doing a little ploop like that. That'll do ya. I'm going to squinch it around. Like that. Okay, and let's put this again. Let's put this side this time. Let's see what happens. And you don't want to leave it, you can leave it till it dries, like for 20 minutes. You're like, oh, it's dry, you know. You can do that if you want. I'm doing it, you know, I just want a little bit of the flavor. Let's see. Might not been long enough. But it's just, you know, it's just experimental. Just experimental. Yeah, I didn't leave it on long enough or heavy enough. Oh, you know what? Let's try some glue. This is a glue stick. Any glue stick you can use. And let's just put a little glue like this. Because it'll dry fast. Then, let's put this down and push it. Push it real good. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not allowed to sing. I don't want to get in trouble. But you all know what I love it. So while that sits for a minute, I'm just going to leave it sit. You can roll it if you want. I don't know. I'm very tactile, so I like to do my thing. What I'm going to do over here is, I got a few things. This is from scrapbook paper, obviously. And I love these danglies. So I'm probably going to glue this on somehow. And I wasn't going to cut them out necessarily, but I was going to kind of go around. Can you see them? My dog's trying to get in here. Let's see. Can you see them? They're beautiful. So I wanted them to kind of hang. So I don't know if I'm going to cut around them closely or what. I don't know yet. We'll see about that. But okay, so I got this. She's doing the thing. Let's see what happens now. Still longer, still a little bit longer. So that is what I'm going to do with that. But I need to come up with a base color. White was to kind of add a little bit of something. Here's some paper. And you can see, you just can go around, the extra little paper will come off. It's like you're doing a transfer without the glue is essentially what I'm doing. Let's take color. I want it to be like, maybe I'll do this, maybe a little turquoise. Let's see. All right, we're gonna be hitting the end here. I'm not gonna keep it. It's, you know, any other time glue dries like so fast, right? It's like you're just like, I can't believe it dried so fast. But here's what we're gonna do. While that's doing that, I am going to just very sporadically add some blue. And a little bit of, God, I'm almost out of these. Purple. It's like we're cooking. And some white. I will use, I love this stuff. This is just fluid acrylic. Could be any brand, anything. And I'm just going to do a little wee-wee on there. Do a wee-wee. I'm just going to go around. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't want to blend it because I like that look. Right? I know. Old lady. Such an old lady. I am. I'm not even going to wipe it off. I don't even care. But what I will wipe is this because I will end up making dinner and having paint all over me. And if you know me, you know I'm messy. I enjoy what I do. So I'm going to give this just a quick once over. And essentially what I'm doing is a background. That's what I want to do. Alright, I don't have patience for this anymore. We're just ripping this up. It's disappointing me. Disappointment. I could have let it dry, but I have no patience. No patience, especially today. Maybe this is something I do another day. But you pick up what I'm putting down, right? I have so many magazines that I have so many pictures. And, you know, that have, like, really cool looking things in it. And why throw the magazines away, you know? I'm just going to wet that a little bit and kind of scrape up a little bit with my nail. I'm not going to fuss too much more than that. You're really going senile there, Cal. Okay. All right. Let's see, do we have anything left on here? Yeah. I'm just doing background. Just background. I'm going to leave her because I'm going to do something with her. What? I don't know yet. Point is, let's just do some backgrounds. Let's get backgrounds done so we can move on. And then work on, you know, what we're going to do. So I'm going to just take my finger and run this down here. And all I'm doing is getting any big clumps or anything like that, you know, out of the corner so it can dry a little bit faster. And I also reuse. I'm such a reuser. That's why I love the magazines and all the things. Okay. So, I really like this, but I want in betweens. So I'm just going for it. Why not? Right? What's the point of doing art and playing around if you're not just gonna go for it? I know these are hard for you to see. Oh, I hate it. I hate that you can't see it. There, that's better. But I am just gonna very closely, but not close, too close. You know, and maybe a different day, maybe I wouldn't have been feeling as good or something like that. And I'd be like, you know what? I'm not going to cut them. I'll leave it whole. But, see what I'm saying? I don't have to do it. It's just, well, you can't see shit. We're like on the other side. Yeah, maybe I won't do this one on here because it's too much. I'll save that for like a background on a mixed media. Because it is kind of blown out and I don't understand why. Huh. Okay. I don't know. Maybe it's too much light. I have no idea. But we're not going to do that right now. So we have a background here. No big deal. We have her little girl there. Great. Now, look at all this great text. I know, I'm wacko. I'm crazy. I'm just trying to show you guys. Nothing has to be planned. Nothing has to be perfect. You're just playing in your art journal. Isn't that the point? Is to have fun? If you don't walk away with paint on your hands, was it fun? Do you know what I'm saying? So let's move it. And like I said, the paper's nice and thick. Now, hopefully it doesn't stick. It's a little more wet down here, but we'll deal. All right, so this, I love writing. I love writing. But let's pick a color. You know what we can do? I don't know why I'm into blues and reds. Let's see if it still works. This is just acrylic ink. Well, she ain't opening, so let's pick another one. It's okay. It happens. I usually have to get my husband to look. Something come off on there. I don't know why. All over me. I mean, come on. It looks like I had a blast, right? All right. So this one. Let's see if we can get any out. See how I'm doing? Okay. This is the Dr. PH Bombay Red, if anybody wants to know. But I have all my well, I don't have a lot left, but the acrylic paints, Liquitex acrylic paints. And we're just rolling. You can see, very transparent. Do we care? No. Why would we care? We're doing background. Got an extra book? Let's make backgrounds. This can be any book. Go to the thrift store. Go to Salvation Army. They have millions of books. I have them, believe me. My husband's making me get rid of a lot of them because I just have tons. He's like, you can't live 6 lives and go through all these books. And let me tell you something, if mail wasn't so expensive, I would be mailing out stuff left and right. Oh, I can't believe how expensive mail is. This is what the Liquitex looks like. This is Quinacron Worcestershire paint. Okay. And I will do this. Just keep layering. This is what it's called, layering. We're just having some fun. You don't have to use this, by the way. You can use your paintbrush. You can use your fingers. You can use whatever you have. Okay. See how we're doing? Doing good. Now, I might want to add a little bit of the turquoise phthalo in here. Just dots. Just like that. I'm not going nuts. Now I could take my circle maker, right? I don't know. I'm sure there's a name. It's my empty tape thing. And watch me go. I'm just getting it wet, but in the meantime, I'm making a spot. See how I made? And then we can just go. Same with here. can slide it. You don't have to just bang it. Do whatever you want. I don't care. We're just adding some more dimension. Doing mixed media background pages. It's layer upon layer. You can do, I've done 10, 11, 12 layers. It doesn't matter. It's about having fun. Now, let me show you something. I get this question a lot. What happens when, let me just make sure these aren't necessarily sticking, which, okay, come on. Just add a little bit more texture. Oh, they're good. They're good. What happens if you do this and you're like, ugh, it's too dark. What am I supposed to do? I feel lost. I feel overwhelmed. What do I do? Well, the first thing I suggest, now, I have bubble wrap, so I will push some bubble wrap down. That's going to take up some extra paint if there's any. Okay. Then I like to take, what color do we want to do? Let's do white. We'll do white. I will do, I gotta find my white paint. Where the heck is she? I don't even know. Oh, it's right in front of me. Oh my God. Am I the only one? So you're like, oh Cal, this is too dark for me. I can't even think beyond this. I can't think about what to do, don't worry about it. Grab something, an old credit card, a gift card, piece of cardboard flap, right? What we'll do is I will take some white paint and squinch it around. And let's push that darkness back. Now you can see obviously my circles were not dry all the way. Maybe that you love this part down here. Don't do anything to it. Go the opposite way. Go corner to corner. You're just dragging some texture. Okay, and what we're doing is pushing back that dark. And you're bringing forward the light. So what we put on top of here is going to be coming at us. You want it to be lighter, obviously, right? Now you can go in and texture it, you know, do all the things that you want to do. If you want it to be more, then add some more, you know? So that is something, you know, that is a lot of fun. And I could go so far on these. I could draw faces. I could do art journal pages, you know, which is what I want to start doing. I have my little girl here that I gotta finish cutting out. I got out of my magazine, and so I'm going to do something there. So, I mean, think outside the box. But that is this for today. I just wanted to play. Grab an old book. It could be an old Stephen King book or an old picture book, a kid's book, whatever you have if you don't have an art journal. And let's start making backgrounds. And I'll probably be back making an art journal page here and showing you where I go from here. So if you like this old lady and you'd like to come back and see more of what I do, because I've really been getting into doing art again. I feel lost and not quite sure, you know, it's taken me a minute to get back on the wagon again. But subscribe, my button's down below. I'd appreciate it. Leave me a comment. I love comments. Any questions, of course. Emails down below. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battles somebody else is fighting. Thanks, guys.